To use the washing machine, make sure to turn on the main switch, press this power button, open the lid, load the clothes inside and close. Open this cover right here, put the soap and the fabric conditioner inside and close. Now twist this knob to set the program. Once you have selected the program, since this is a 2-in-1 washing machine, you can also select dryer. Select the type. Now, once you have selected the program, press this play button right here. Once the timer stops, make sure to turn off the washing machine and turn off the main switch.